Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel, and today I will tell you about Yunnan Provincial Government Scholarship in Kunming University of Science and Technology. So let's start. How you apply for this scholarship. So first you type Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can see our website cscguideofficial.com, and when you open this, you can click on this category which I'll tell you. So click on click on CSC scholarship admissions, president scholarship, just online apply. It's up to you. So we click on just online apply because this university have just online apply and no need to send hard copies as well. Okay, no need to send hard copies. So click on the first link, Kunming University of Science and Technology. When you click on this, you can see the Kunming University of Science and Technology Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship 2020. So thought is Yunnan Provincial Government Scholarship, university name Kunming University of Science and Technology, category undergraduate, master and PhD students can apply. Fully funded scholarship, monthly allowance 1400 RMB for undergraduate, 1700 RMB for master, and 2000 RMB for PhD students. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Okay, application deadline is 30th of April 2020. So what is the eligibility criteria for this scholarship? So all international students can apply. Age limits for bachelor 25, for master 35, and for PhD students 40 years. Okay, IELTS is not mandatory. You can apply with English proficiency certificate as well, so don't worry about IELTS. How you apply for this scholarship? The main purpose of this story: first, you fill the Kunming University of Science and Technology online application form. Okay, upload all required documents on Kunming University of Science and Technology online portal. Result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies, so don't worry if you think that how we can send hard copies to the university, so don't worry about this. Okay, click on if you want to apply online, click here. So how and which documents required for this scholarship? So I also how you fill the form, application form, so I also tell you in this video. So first of all, you fill the online application form. The documents required for this: highest degree transcript, highest degree of your education, highest degree education, transcript of highest education, study plan, research proposal, 2 recommendation letters. These are all required documents for same for all master, undergraduate, and PhD students. So recommendation letter, photocopy of applicant's passport, home information page means first page, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, IELTS is not mandatory, personal statement, NOG, non organization government, like this. So click on this. And when you click on it, you can download the NOG form, means non-government organization. Okay, fill this, write 2 lines here that you don't have any contract with you don't have any contact with the non-organization or NGO and any NGO. So it depends on you. So if you still you are working, that you leave it, and or leave it, and also tell them that I will leave in after 1 or 2 months. So it's up to you. Okay, no passport name, nationality, signature, and date, like this. Fill this form and convert into PDF and upload it on online portal. So how you upload this, I also tell you in this video. Okay, now how you fill the application form. So it's not working, so click I refresh it, maybe it's working. So you can see when you refresh it. So click on this link. When you click on this link, okay, you will reach on the portal. So I will close it. So when you sign up, and after signing up, you sign in, and you will reach in this video, or in this portal. So click on, after when you reach here, so click on the start application. When you click start application, then image will be shown. So I already applied, so that's why it's showing like me. They like that you incomplete, your application is uncompleted, so please continue it. So I continue it, click on yes. When I click on yes, you can see the information page will be open. So this is the information page, basic information page, not any cheeky information like here. So place of birth and you can see the employer and institution affiliated with. If you not affiliate with any institution, then type the name of your university from which you are previously graduated. Okay, language and living years of living in your own country, from your date of birth till now. Type the calculate the years and type here. Okay, home address, give the home, type the home address, and the current address also. If your current address same like your home address, then click on yes button, and it's okay. Okay, this is the same. If you how you collect the notice, the same as the same address. If you are collect the notion when your no current address is the same like your postal address, then click on this option. Okay, if you are collect by self from university, then click on pick by self. Okay, this is the information page, information, and visa, passport and visa. Type the expiry date. If you have old passport, then type the old passport number, old passport expiration date, and click the click your country, embassy name. If I type India, means if I type India, then you can see the Consulate General Republic of China in Kolkata, and China in Mumbai, and Embassy of Republic of China in India. Okay, so in which you want to select, it depends on you. So if I am, then if I click on Republic of China in India. Okay, when you click on India, the whole country of the which they represent, so it's easy for the selection. So I'm from Pakistan, so I select Pakistan here. After selecting the Pakistan, so I select the Embassy of People's Republic of China in Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So I select this one. Okay, learning experience in China. If you have any learning experience like the Chinese language and other qualifications, so click on yes. If you don't have, then click on no and leave it blank. So financial supporter, type your father information or brother information. Your guarantor information, should type your brother information, father information, which you can. Okay. Emergency contact, if you have any emergency contact, give the detail of your brother and father. It depends on you. So after filling this information, so it's mandatory to fill, but it's not mandatory that which information you give here. So it depends on you which information you want to give here. Okay, click save and continue. When you click on save and continue, you can go to the next, and this is the very important portion of this online application portal. When you click on online application portal, you can see my major is quality engineering and management. So I want to change. Why I want to change, I will tell you. So I click on change to another major. Maybe in your application portal it's not been shown, so I think it will be shown. Click on scholarship programs. When I click on scholarship programs, you can see the three scholarship types: KMUST New Student Scholarship, and Yunnan Provincial Scholarship, and KMUST Postgraduate Scholarship. So I select Yunnan Provincial Scholarship and click on next. You can see the also details of this scholarship as well here. So these are also the details of those things which I mentioned in our website. These are the things. Okay, so I click on KMUST Provincial Scholarship here and click on the next option. When you click on next option, you can see the major of all these majors. So all these majors are in English, in Chinese. So it's not in English, so they don't demand any HSK from in their document section or any other and something any other way. So it depends on you if you want to apply, if you want to study in Chinese, so you can. So if you want to select English, then click on yes. There is no major available here. Either you can, if you select in Chinese, you can click here. You can see check the major of all these information here. Okay, so search your major one by one. If you type your major here, I think I am typing civil. Okay, you can see civil. So for example, I select civil. So there is no not in present here. So when you type search by major, then no data will be shown. So if it's happened with you like this, and close it and select again, change to the major application major, and select your scholarship application program. When you select scholarship application program, select your non-provincial scholarship, and so I suggest you click on next option. When you click on next, it's waiting. Okay, no, it's been it's opening. Okay, so I suggest you find your major. So it's find your major one by one, clicking on next page, because when you search your major by by typing, so it's not no major will be shown. So select your major will be shown. So I select faculty of management and economics. I click here and click on the save option, and my major, you can see, management sciences and engineering. Okay, doctoral degree program, if you want to apply for master degree program, because the major which I select, must take care that major which you select here, it's for doctoral master. So I think the major which I select is for master degree, so doctoral degree. So take care when you select your major. Okay, so it's just formality, so that's why I'm putting this here. So whether to apply for scholarship, once when you filling the first time, then it's no. Then you click on yes. When you click on next, you can see it. If fail to get scholarship, are you willing to study by self? If you study by self financed, and then you can select yes, otherwise no. Okay, so I cannot afford study on self finance, so I select no. And reference contact, if you want to give the reference contact, like you can select reference type, recommendation, self recommendation, reference contact. You can also give our university our website cscguideofficial.com. Here give the reference, so it depends on you. Language eligibility ability, click on your English proficiency excellent, and if you have IELTS, then click on the type, give the your IELTS score, TOEFL and GRE, that's kind of thing. So if you have in English, in Chinese proficiency, then select excellent, or according to your situation. So I have no, so I click on leave it blank. Okay, education history, highest degree, select your highest degree. If you are applying for master degree, then your highest degree is bachelor degree, and if you are applying for master degree, then your highest degree is if you are applying for doctoral degree, then your highest degree is master degree. Okay, degree, if the full name is marks, give marks according to your scores which you get from your previous degree, and the certificate of highest diploma, proof of study, both of all, degree and transcript if you have, then click on both of all. If any failure in your highest degree marks, no. Yes, give your reason, no. Okay, start from the highest school, and add your detail here. When you click on add, then give information here. The internet is a little slow, so all the information give here. So okay, and time is too short, so that's why I'm not filling properly. Work experience, if you have work experience, then give the work experience. Click on add option and give it work experience. But if your form will not be go forward without putting your work experience, then you must put the experience of your internship in which you are doing in your last semester, or the any other things which you done in your university, so give your detail here. Okay, family members must give the information, give the information of these things. It's necessary, but it's not mandatory that whether you what should you put here. So okay, click and save option, and now it's another important section here. When you click on documents upload section here, you can see all the required documents like passport and other things, all these things. Okay, so upload the types which you need, means passport photocopy, the file you can see, the JPG, JPEG, PNG, BNG, BMB, DOS, documents, PDF, and these files are accepted. Okay, and the minimum file of one size is not exceeding 5 MB. Okay, China visa, leave it blank. If you have any, then upload it, otherwise leave it blank, it's not for you. Valid passport, graduate certificate, highest transcript, certificate of highest medical support, means physical examination form, study plan, references, means a recommendation letters, 2 recommendation letters, upload 2 recommendation letters here, personal statement, NGO, the form which I show you here. Okay, and this is the same form, upload it, and certificate of no criminal record, means you can see they're not demanding any HSK certificate here, whether you are your major is in Chinese, so it means they not demand any HSK. After uploading all these documents, click on save and continue option. When you click and save and continue option, you can go to the more information page. When you click here, you can see documents upload documents means video. Make a video of 3 to 4 minutes, and the video file may be the video file must be in mp4, avi, mov, mkv, and wmv files type. Okay, so if your size file of your videos exceed then from 20 MB, then use a software like Handbrake software, install in your computer and upload your video in Handbrake and compressed it. The pixel will be remain same, but the size will be reduced to minimum MB. Okay, so upload it. So I'll not mention here the but after making this video, I upload the upload here about video. Okay, after this another if you want to upload other if you can, but leave it blank. Okay, are you a migrant? No, I'm not migrant. Okay, immigrant, sorry. Award information, if you get any information award, then upload add information here. If you don't have any, then leave it blank. Referee information, if you want to give our information like CSC guide official information here, and but the best way is to referee information, give your give the information of those professor who give you recommendation letters. Okay, if you have acceptance letter, then give your professor detail who give you acceptance letter. Okay, guardian information for applicants below the applicants below 18 sorry 18-year age. Give the detail of your guardian, like your father or brother who is your guardian. Okay, other information like supervisor, if you are supervisor, give the name of supervisor, otherwise leave it blank. And CSC application number means if you are applying for CSC, but you cannot apply for CSC because the last date for CSC scholarship in Kunming University of Science and Technology is 31st of March, so you don't apply, you cannot apply. Okay, CSC means CIS means it's China Infectious Institutions, like this China Infectious Institute scholarship. Okay, infectious, I think in that's very difficult for me to pronounce it here. So have you ever committed in crime? No. Leave it, give your score according to this. And after applicants note, Confucius Institute, I think Confucius Institute is the right word. Application note, and save and continue. If you want to type here, type, then otherwise leave it blank. When you fill this and save, click on save and continue and click on the preview option. When you click on preview option, you can see the form which you filled, complete information page of your form. And if you want to submit it, if you want to submit it, so I know you cannot submit it, first we review, click on no and review it. All the things are okay. If all the things are okay and if the information which you put is accurate, then click on the last submit option. Okay, after clicking on submit option, you will check your status daily. Where is the status, your application progress here. When and in clicking on this, after submitting this, you can check your major, you check your status. So good luck, man, take care of you. So we can meet you in the next video. Love.